Okay, so just to quickly explain, I have a wig cap on right now because, let me share my idea. So I'm gonna do half of my face with the Elsa collection and then the other half with the Anna collection, or Anna, however you pronounce it. Since I don't have a wig that has half blonde, half auburn, I think I'm gonna just like take turns, like taking pictures of me in each wig, and then I'll like morph them together in a photo. I don't know if it's gonna be really hard for me to do it that way since I'm doing half my makeup that I'm not doing like a full version. I don't know. But that is my idea, and that's why I look crazy right now. I also had this on from a previous makeup look, so my hair would have looked crazy anyway, and I'm gonna need to put it up like this later, so might as well just keep it. But let's just jump right in. So Colourpop came out with a Frozen 2 collection. So there are two separate collections here. So there's one for Elsa and one for Anna, like I said. So I'll show you guys the Elsa one first. How cute are these? So this is like a little box set, and it just opens up just like that. So we have an ultra glossy lip in here, and this is in the shade, is it Mythic Journey? Is this guy here? It's a really pretty icing shade. We also have a lipstick here, so this is in Little Snow. So this is like a dark mauve. So this also includes a Glitterly Obsessed glitter. I wonder if you can see the inside of this on camera. But this is in the Dark Sea. Look at that. Oh my god. Then last but not least is the eyeshadow palette in here. So here is the cover. Here are the shades. I wish they would have had more of like a grape purple for her eye, because I feel like that's like more true to the character. But I do like the shade Gale in here, which is still more of like a, it's like a light muted purple. This is the Anna collection. So in this one we have another ultra glossy lip, and this is in Free Spirit. It's a really pretty nude. For the lip, we pretty much have the same shade, just in a lipstick. It looks a little bit darker, more of like a cocoa. And then we have another Glitterly Obsessed glitter, and this is in the shade Waterfall. And this is such a pretty gold glitter. Put it right here. Check that out. And for the eyeshadow palette, I feel like this is probably my favorite eyeshadow palette of the two. Like, look at that goldeny green shade here. Oh my god. It's unbelievable. But yeah, let's get started on the look. I don't have too much information about these palettes yet. This little cheat sheet here just kind of explains everything that's in the palette. Well, I looked on the website too, so I know that these aren't out yet. So I don't know if they just haven't determined the prices. Okay, so for the Elsa Eye, I am gonna go in with the Anna palette, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Adventure, which is this guy here. I'm gonna pop that all over the lid here. I'm gonna go a little bit underneath my eye here too. I'm just taking that bigger brush just to smoke it out a little bit. I like that this didn't seem to have like any fallout. Do you guys see any? Then I'm gonna go in with that darker purple, which is Autumn Breeze from the same Anna palette. I'm just gonna put this on the end of my eye here. I'm also just gonna put that in the crease slightly, just to create a little bit of dimension. Then going back in with the Elsa palette, I'm gonna go in with the shade Cuddle Close, which is this metallic white. I'm just gonna clean up underneath my brow here. Oh, but it actually is an iridescent white. So I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this on camera, but it has like a purpley pinky color shift to it. Then to go right in the center of my eye, I'm gonna go in with that Glitterly Obsessed glitter, and this is in Dark Sea. Just want that chunky glitter effect on there. Then I'm gonna dip into the shade Hurry, which is that center shade there. This is like a pressed glitter shade. So it looks really similar to the Glitterly Obsessed glitter, but it's more fine. Just putting that right on top of the Glitterly Obsessed. Ooh, love that eye. You know what? I think I'm gonna go underneath too, just in the center there. Just to add a little bit of something, not gonna go crazy. Okay, then for Anna's side, which Anna doesn't look like, from the pictures at least, like she really has any makeup. She looks like she has some long lashes, but I don't really see anything on there. But that's always good because now I can just use my imagination for what she would wear. But I am going to go in with the shade Wind. It's that top guy here, top middle. I just love this palette. Also gonna go underneath a little bit here, just to give the eye some dimension. And then on the lid, I'm gonna go in with the shade Earth, which is this really pretty golden metallic shade here. I'm just gonna go in with my finger and just pat that all over my lid. Oh my god. Then I'm gonna take that shade, is it Charles? Oh, Charades. It's hard to read the cursive on here, but it's this brown shade here. Just gonna put this on the outer corner of my eye here. Then a little bit in the crease, just like we did for the Elsa Eye. Then I'm gonna go in and more of like a tight line to the bottom lash line here. And then for the center shade on the Anna eye, I'm gonna go in with the shade Arendelle. I think that's the town that they live in, right? I really need to rewatch the movie. But this is that center shade that I was talking about earlier, that goldeny green. So for the Elsa side, I'm gonna do the lipstick here. So again, this is in the shade Little Snow. So this is a cream shade. So I'm just gonna do half. And on the Anna side, I'm gonna use the shade Free Spirit. So again, this is that ultra glossy lip. I feel like my skin's looking too tan. They're like a lot paler. So I'm just gonna go in with the powder and try to lighten me up a little bit. I think that's as light as I'm getting it, and I don't even know if that did anything. Okay, so I think that they both have freckles. I feel like Anna's character, it's more prominent that she has freckles, where I feel like Elsa, you only really notice it when she's close up. I don't know, I could be wrong. Like I said, haven't seen the movie in forever. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with that shade Charades. That was that brown color that we use on the outer edge of this eye. And I'm just gonna create some freckles, just on this side of my face. Alright guys, so I'm gonna pop on eyeliner and lashes off camera, and I'll probably come back with a wig just to show you at least one of them. And then at the end, I think I'll probably end it with the picture of both of them together that I edit together. Yeah, I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm back and I look a little crazy. I probably should have put the blonde wig on just to like, I don't know, do this outro because I feel like this is looking weird. Or I probably should have just braided both sides, but then I'm just gonna have to, like this side doesn't matter because I'm taking the picture, only half of it. I don't know. But yeah, and I could only put one contact in. My other blue contact was being all weird for this eye. I don't know what was going on. In a lot of pictures, it looks like she has green eyes, but then a lot of them looks like she has blue, so I don't know. Yeah, so this is the look. I'm gonna pop up a picture of the combined looks right here. So I'm looking a little crazy either way. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of each palette. Also, are you going to be watching Frozen 2 when it comes out? And yeah, did you guys like the look when it was combined? What do you think of it? I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.